travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. On my channel you will find lots of home decorating and seasonal decorating here. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesdays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of my family here on YouTube. Also, double tap that bell for new notifications. I would love to hear from you, so please go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to watch the video from beginning to end. I will greatly appreciate it. Also, thank you guys so much for your support, and the way that you can continue to support is also by hitting that super thanks button down below to help support my channel in, creating these content and these videos for you guys on a weekly basis. So thank you guys so much in advance for your help. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I decorated my kitchen countertops and like little cabinet area, and also my cutting board wall for the winter season. It's going to be very minimal, very practical, and just simple greenery and simple touches. I do work every single day in my kitchen. It works extremely hard for our family, so I don't want to do anything that is going to crowd up my countertop space or even just crowd up my kitchen, period. It's a very small kitchen. It's a 1920s kitchen, so it definitely needs some updating, but as we go about the year, we will definitely get to that. But for the meantime, we're going to make do with what we have and beautify it in some way with some simple and neutral touches. So if you're interested in watching, definitely watch from beginning to end and stay tuned for the video. So in my kitchen, I am going for a more vintage, updated look. I love thrifting, and so you're going to find a lot of thrifted pieces in my decor, in my home, period. I.e. this beautiful piece behind me is thrifted. So I wanted to bring that type of feel to my kitchen, and just kind of add that neutral, classic, vintage style, while just kind of making it more practical and just able to work for us as a family. We are a family of 5, and so I am super excited about decorating this kitchen. These are the spaces for the winter season, and hopefully it'll carry us throughout the spring season as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and continue on into the video.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice, and I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. this road that I am on. I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Ooh, and I still wonder where you are. Ooh, if you found a way out, come seek me out.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. lucky. Oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Nowhere I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
Okay guys, so I kind of wanted to show you what it would look like in the nighttime or the evening time with the ambient light on. Obviously it's still daytime, but this is basically what it would look like at night, or what it does look like at night. And it is so beautiful. It's even more beautiful at night. It's the daytime right now, but it is so beautiful. And oh my goodness, it just lights up the kitchen and gives the kitchen such a cozy feel at night. So I am so loving the simple, just the simplistic feel of it all. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today. Just a little small tour of my kitchen. I hope that it inspired you guys to, you know, do something simple, do something classic in your own home. Shop your home. Don't have to go out there and break the bank, you guys, to decorate your spaces or to add simple touches to your spaces. Our kitchen works very hard, like I said, for our family every day. And so I just wanted to keep the countertop spaces just very neutral, very calming, and very simple, just not crowded at all. And I really, really do love the way that it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you can take away some tips and tricks for your own kitchen or your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Still can't believe you